Hello everybody, this is AB with abdesigns.com, and I made this video so I can show the client of mine of how to work his or her fan page. For example, I'm going to use Art Lewin from Art Lewin Bespoke. So as you can see, I already customized this page, but I unliked it purposely so I can showcase how this works. So of course, here it is here. So as I make my way to the fan page, I customize a video, of course, with lettering. So this would actually play. So basically, the video would be an introduction about the business. For example, I use Art Lewin's Bespoke with custom suits. As I scroll down, I can get more information about the business or the company. And as of here, it's telling me about the critics, about the business, and of course information to contact this in particular business. So as you can see here, these are brand new tabs, and welcome. This welcome is for the like and unlike. About us, we'll get to that in a second. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like the page, and once I select like, it's going to bring me automatically, I'm still on the welcome tab, it's going to bring me automatically to this page, which would be information about the banner, photos about the company. For example, we're using Art Lewin, so since he makes custom suits, we're actually showcasing some of the suits he created. As you can see, I'm going to scroll down some more. There's some music playing. I'm going to go ahead and pause that. Again, you can customize the color of the music, which is great. So this is your landing page after you become a fan. Now from here, you can select whichever one you want. Some people go to wall, they want to know more information. But as you can see, I selected, you can customize these words. I put welcome and about us to kind of get to the point. So I'm going to go ahead and click about us. And then from here, there's information that I put together. Again, the banner stays the same. You have information about the business here, and again we have music playing, so we're going to go ahead and scroll down and pause that. So that's when you can customize your fan page to kind of look like a website. Again, this is AB from abdesigns.com, and I'll talk to you soon.